Tootsie. Tootsie. Stop raising pressure, little girl. If you have two sinting, and you go put two more sinting pan that, how much sitting that? Tootsie. But mommy, me not understand when you explain it so. Alright. If you have two dumpling, I'm gonna give you two more dumpling pan that. How much dumpling you have? No little bit of dumpling that, mommy. Tootsie, oh, you nothing know this and me send you go at school. But mommy, just tell me the answer for the one, you know. Matter of fact, no bother, cause you last time you help me with maths homework, miss beat me for write 3 plus 3 of 33. But you know if you come here come ask me nothing and before I ask you. Me send you go to school for learn Tootsie. Look here, tell me for never waste me money, cause I come like say I go you go for I'm done the place. You think your teacher not tell me say you go sit down in the class and I watch clock for bell ring? Listen, you see when me used to go to school, me used to go barefoot. Every morning me have to climb hill. Hill big like killer man there so. Me have to swim across the river one time a crocodile grab me school shoes, you see. But mommy, you not just say go barefoot. Little girl, this a before, stop cut me. Look how you make me figure twitch part me day. Yes, one of them grab me shoes off of my foot, me have to swim my left feet. Then after me have to chat through bush reach a school. And when me finally reach the teacher, they don't want to let me in because they say me too dirty. You look a dirty drunk then send me back home and I have to do the journey again to reach back at school. And you, the day watch time for go yam. You know when me used to get for lunch? Every Sunday mama send me go buy one bowl and she cut it in a 5. Try to make it done before Friday. All if I did you, dog me and my supper.